So, you want to become an AI expert? It's not as hard as you think. With a few simple steps, you can be a top AI expert in no time. 1. Start by learning the basics. You don't need a degree in AI to get started. Familiarize yourself with the basics of machine learning, natural language processing, and deep learning. 2. Find a mentor. Find someone who can help you deepen your knowledge and give you a better understanding of the concepts. 3. Get hands-on experience. Try out different projects and experiment with different algorithms. This is the best way to acquire skills and gain experience. 4. Take online courses. Most universities offer courses on AI and machine learning. Take advantage of these resources and learn from the best in the field. 5. Network and collaborate. Make connections in the AI community and collaborate with other AI experts. This will help you learn more and stay up to date on the latest trends. 6. Keep up with the trends. AI is constantly evolving, so it is important to stay informed and up to date with the latest developments. 7. Utilize resources. There are many online resources available to help you become an AI expert. Take advantage of these resources and use them to your advantage. 8. Stay motivated. It's not easy to become an AI expert, but it's worth the effort. Maybe it is the only job that will never go obsolete with AI rise. So, if you want to become a top AI expert, just follow these steps and you'll be well on your way.